If you watch the entire video, you're gonna learn how I did this on Framer, and this is my new strategy. Instead of building the entire page on Framer, what I do is just the hero section with their mission and a review from them. And then I add this section saying that this website is yours, book a call to chat further. Could be better, to be fair. And this button brings to the entire Figma prototype. And so when it's going to load, this is the entire page. Very simple and convincing instead of having the entire thing. So we're doing, again, this is due to my lazy effective thinking. And this is what I want to teach. We can find a lot of solution to get to your goals very very fast, and hopefully you can just follow along. Also, if you watch the entire video, you're going to learn how to, and this is actually in the beginning, how I did that. I got 77 leads. I scrubbed them manually in less than 10 minutes. So the first 10 minutes of the video, this is what you're going to learn, and then the rest is history because you're going to see me build this live. The forum is not real because, again, this is a lot of work. I focus the video on the strategy in itself. Tomorrow, I'm going to start outreaching to the list here. So I'll let you watch the video. I'm assuming we are all broke and we don't have money to pay someone to scrap things for us, and we also don't have money to use paying software to get the leads. So, what we're going to do, get them ourselves. I decided to go with Burnaby. So, this is a city in British Columbia in Canada. Reason why is because British Columbia is very expensive, and there are a lot of rich people there. And unfortunately, here in Montreal is not really the case. So I'm going where the money is. And fortunately for my decision, there are a lot of people looking for roofing Burnaby. We have 170 queries per month. Only for that particular keyword, you still have people looking for Burnaby roofing, roofing companies Burnaby, roofing contractors Burnaby. So I know there's a lot of demand. And who says demand says money in the bank, because if I'm able to make those roofing companies more money, convert more of those queries here into paying customers, and the more I can sell them new websites. With that being said, let's start. I'm just going to show you for the first five uh, that I'm going to do here. Today is supposed to be 100, but I'm not going to do 100 only because I have a plan. And yeah, just wait for me after I finish this. You can skip if you want, but I still want to show you how I do things productively. So I have this browser which is called Arc, and it's a cheat code. Why? Because this is what I'm going to do: merge those tabs together here, and then on the left we're going to do roofing Burnaby, and then we open this more businesses, and we start looking. So perfect name. So I'm just gonna do like this. This is kind of messing me up right now. How do I add the color? So the text color is black. Perfect. Address. I don't really care about the address, to be fair. So it's this website, copy link address. Yeah, okay, this is pissing me off. Let me just one sec. I have to do it like this. Okay. Email. I don't have it yet. So let me just put that here. Perfect. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay. So I start like this. Save roofing. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me. So let's. Yep. Okay. Then perfect. Same thing here. Copy link address. Okay, this is pissing me off, bro. I don't know why it's all white. Uh. Okay. Perfect. Copy. Perfect. The hell? Copy link address. Oh, okay. Because they have multiple, I think. This is why it is trackable like this one. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Copy link address. The reason why I don't include any email right now is because I don't need to. At the end of the day, after, and just use their social media, whatever is available to us. Pro Tech. What I was here. Okay. Those I don't. I'm not sure. Even yeah, I should have done the reviews, but I don't really mind right now because they're all like 4.8, 5, which is kind of good. One roofing, copy. I'm gonna do that for the first 10. Then yeah, we're kind of done here. I'm gonna come back after finishing, and I don't want to show you everything that I'm gonna do for the next 30. But you can see like 5 minutes. Not even the video has been for 5 minutes, but I've done that for like 2 minutes. You can get 50 done in, I'd say, 25 minutes or so. We'll see. It is 10:56 a.m. right now, and we'll see how long it's gonna take for me. So I know I said that I wasn't going to do more than 25, but I was in the zone. I was like, why should I stop? And I just did until there was no more. For this particular query, so roofing Burnaby. And just here in this query, I got 77. And bear in mind that I only selected companies that has 4.5 stars reviews and more. I mean, like I just dismiss someone who has 4, 4.1, 4.2. I prefer not working with those people for now. I mean, I just don't have time for screwing everything and reading the reviews on why they are not good at what they do. And something interesting, there are 15 that doesn't even have a website. So those are the ones that I'm gonna attack by tomorrow. I'm gonna send them the mock-up. I'm telling you, moving fast, man. You need to move fast. Tomorrow is day 4, and tomorrow I'm already gonna start doing it. But I can even do that today, but I have other things to do, unfortunately. So I have to stick to the schedule. Just to show you how you can still just do task by task, day by day, to move toward your goal, and that'll be attainable. In this video is not finished yet. Okay, we're going to now attack the hero section build with Framer, and I'm going to explain to you something. So we have this, okay? My plan is to actually don't build the entire page. I'm going to use this image, okay? And then this section is going to have my calendar with view the entire web page, okay, and then that's it. Like, I don't need to do it on Framer. I just need to do the hero section to have their attention, and then here I have my calendar, and here click here to see the entire page. And when they click on it, they can see it as a pop-up. And this is what I'm gonna build right now. So see you on Framer. Okay, let's get it. We are on a clock. You know me. I'm going to use what's called the plugin. What is it? Widget? Yeah, okay. Figma to HTML with Framer. This is what I'm gonna use. Okay. So let's start with this. Okay, perfect. Just gonna put this here, and then come back to Framer. Past. What is? I don't have Helvetica. Is it odd? The hell? You don't even have Helvetica? This is really annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna use Montserrat. Montserrat for the win. Or enter. Let me see. Is there enter? Okay. Why this doesn't look the same? I don't understand. This is very odd. I don't like it. Contact. Okay, perfect. Get a free quote. So even this will be enter. Kind of same font, so it doesn't look very different. But we're going to transform that into component. So let's call this navbar logo divider. So that is navlink wrapper. That is link. Oh, okay, yeah. Link drop down. I want to have. So you know what? For this one, I guess I'm going to just do services because it's more general, in my opinion. So that will be services. Well, just easier here. And this one is going to be about us. Yeah, no, that's. I think this is perfect. And something I'm going to do that will be interesting. I'm going to show you create component navbar. I'm going to come back to this in a bit. So let's start auto layout, auto layout, auto layout. Perfect. Figma to HTML. Just gonna add layout here. So that will be, yeah, for now it's good, okay? So that's wrapper, hero text, that's left container, right container, and wrapper, button. Even for buttons, we're gonna fix that in a bit, okay? This is really for the sake of the demo that I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do so we are ready tomorrow. And so you can just follow along because, again, action, action, action. I'm gonna eradicate any kind of excuse, okay? And then we're gonna add another stack, so that will be container hero. That's gonna be fill, and then here on the top, we're gonna add 60 pixels. Yeah, that's about it. And here, just here, so enter. Oh, Proxima cat. Proxima, I have to download it because this is all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, I need to download this font. This is what. This is really annoying because it's with Adobe, so I don't know how to do that here. Damn, bro. Proxima Nova font similar. Okay. Yeah, this is something similar. Interesting. I hope that is available on Framer directly. Oh my goodness. This is really annoying. Do we have bold? Yeah, alright. I hate it when it's like this, man. But we don't have a choice, so we come back to Framer, then custom, upload, download. I'm gonna add everything. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Okay. Yeah, very similar, actually. Let's see medium. No, bold. Is there semi bold? Oh, yeah, there is. You see. Oh, it's so similar. That's perfect. Going with bold. Yeah, perfect. Enter. So that's kind of do 20 here. So let's do 52 or 54. Yeah, 54 seems good. And then the line is sounds good. I don't like how this is not really aligned with what I want. So let me do something. And then this is gonna be on the right 25, on the left 25. Oh no, 40 actually. Yeah, now it's aligned perfectly. But not this one. So let me. It's because this one is a little bit bigger, I think. Uh, oh, okay. Fill. Let me see. So left container fill as well. So that's zero point 0.5, and then that's zero point 0.5 as well. 40, 40. Yeah, I don't really like this. So this is what's gonna be is 100, and then we're gonna go give it a max width. That will be 350 pixels, a little bit more. You see how that is. Yeah, so left container. Let me put it back. All right, yeah, that's kind of perfect, but not exactly how I want it. So me, yeah. Okay, perfect. Now this is how I want it to look like. Now this one also, you see, like there's something that really annoys me is that is not aligned the way that I want it. So I create a stack around it, and then I put it back on start, and then I add a padding on the left, 5 pixel. Now it is more aligned with here. That seems more good to me. And just for good sake practice, accessibility H1 for SEO sake, roofing company Burnaby, and this one H2, this one paragraph, and this one is tag div. Perfect. Now moving forward, the image. So I was gonna call it hero image. Plugging Figma to HTML. Perfect. Coming back. Lovely. Then here there's a small, let's say 25 pixels approximately. So let's give it 25 here. You know what? No, that would be zero. And what I'm gonna do is, so this one hero section again, container hero, add stack, container hero. So that'll feel 40, 40, and on the top, 25. Is that it? 25 or 35? Approximately. Let me give this 35 here, or you know what, 30, because I want it to be a little bit bigger than this one. Let me see. Zero. If I do 0, 0, what's happening? Yeah, nothing. Because it's already centered on here. Because it's fixed. I understand. Yeah, perfect. Let's keep it that way for now. Uh, this one after 1 second. This one I need to code it to make it seem exactly like that in Framer because they don't offer custom form natively. I have to do it myself. I'm going to show you, but on the video of the entire build, not on this one because again we're just moving fast. This is for the sake of the mockup, like a prototype, and I'm going to precise that in my outreach. So yeah, this one is going to be here like this. All right, and then this one is going to be called hero section. Hero section is viewport 100 VH. Oh, sorry, not this one. Uh, Let me see if I do. Do I include it inside? Let me see. That just doesn't work out. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so it doesn't fit entirely. Let me see. It's kind of messed up right now. Let me fix that. So this one is. Yeah, it's kind of messed up right now. Um, mm, 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 mm. Um, oh, okay. Start. I just changed it to start, but this is not working still. Hero section, yeah, because it's centered. Do it at start. Refresh. But there's way too many white space. So what I'm gonna do is um, also this one. I don't like it the way it is separated in a sense. I have to keep this here inside of it. Okay, I have an idea. So for the nav bar, uh, default. So that's logo divider, link, perfect, perfect divider, and the yeah, it's underneath it. So what I need to do is create another stack as navbar wrapper, and then give this one max width 300 pixels. Also, no space around. Let me see if that works. Oh, nope, not really. Oh yeah, it's because of this here. Let me see if that works. Okay, now it's working perfectly. All right. Uh, so yeah, my idea was to have this. I don't like the fact that this is going outside of this. So what we can do is come back here and then the hero image. So you have the container, right? Gonna fix the ratio and we're gonna do fill. Just gonna remove the gap. Container hero. Oh no, this is not what I wanted to do. So you have the frame, you have the image. So this is the image in absolute position, which makes sense. 100%. Uh, got it. So the hero section, and now this one also is going to be fill. Now we have this perfectly, but the problem is this. I don't know how to fix this to match it. Yeah, I think I have an idea. So that would be 0 at all time. And then just gonna remove this, add a 40. Uh, there's a small problem here. Oh shit. 530. Was it that? Uh, 525. Okay. But why is it doing like this? Okay, wait a sec. Just need to rewind. Okay, this is perfect. 1 second. So we have this fill, then we can go to image and then do fill as well. Uh, okay, so that's 25, I guess. Then if I do again this, does it work? Why the so the problem is, oh okay. Let me yeah, image same thing. So that's absolute position. Okay, let me see how that looks like now. Holy shit. This is not what. Oh, yeah, that's why. Mm, now it makes sense, but this one, I'm just gonna fix this. So, frame, give 15, 22, alright. Perfect. I'm just gonna add a small nudge here so we can add. Yep, that's perfect. Alright. Overall, I think that does look great. What I want to do now is add. Yeah, so I thought that I wasn't going to do it, but I think I'm going to. So we have those here, okay? I'm gonna show you how we can deliver this on Framer, like build this on Framer without constraint. So we have a box basically, and inside of that box there's this. Okay, the way we're gonna build it is by having the first frame, and then we're just gonna add the entirety. So let me explain what I want, how I'm gonna do it. So let's start with the top. Plugin Figma to HTML. It's all messed up, which is normal. Okay, yeah, it's actually all messed up, which is normal. Just think how I can fix all of this. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. All right. So this now is I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna wrap it again. Second section. We can call it our mission. Inside of it is title wrapper. But before that, let's give it top 50. Okay. Then this is just changing the font and enter. Perfect. So this is going to be, yeah, I understand. Okay, so yeah, there's actually wrapper. Then there's this, but we need another one. So that will be title container. And gonna understand why. So let's add 25. All right, then title is gonna be here. So now we have the base. Okay. Then this one is gonna be fill. This one is gonna be 75 pixels. I'm gonna remove this to 20. No, 25 still. Okay. This one gonna be, yeah, I don't, so this is not what I want. Let me see. Fixed 75. Yeah, makes sense. So this is gonna, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna add it here. 25. And then this one is gonna be 25 here, 25 here. Perfect. Then we're gonna add the borders. So border are going to be 0 here, 0. So one on the right, 0 bottom, 1 on the right. So now we have this done, correct? Now to have it all on top of it, so that will be on the title container. So now we can add here 1 1, so that's 0 here, 0 here. Now we have exactly where we wanted. And we're going to do something similar with the second section underneath it, so it follows up everything. Basically, we keep the, so that will be, so actually box container. Okay, box container is the one that has on the top, on the bottom. What we want is, so this is yeah, box wrapper. Let me put that, like that is better. So now I can duplicate it. Just gonna do it like this. It's gonna be fit content. This one fit content as well. Desktop. Uh, yeah, there's a small problem. Oh, I know why. So I have to duplicate this, and then delete the gap, and then this one remove from the top, and then now I can add the text here. Figma to HTML. Come back here, delete that, and add the text on the box wrapper. Yeah, we're gonna do fit content, and this one we're gonna change it to enter. And now we start having our build, which is responsive, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. So let me just do, so this is, yeah, the entirety box container. Those we can add max width 350 pixel 300 pixels. Let's see. Nope, not working as I expected. Let me try here. Yeah, not good too. Let me see just what is happening over here. Okay, so we have this. My problem is. Oh, yeah, I understand. Okay, so it's the box wrapper that we need to give a max width 350 pixels. Do the same here. Oh shit, my bad. Max width. Now, if we publish, working perfectly. Now we are seeing this is because it's not inside the hero section, and because the hero section is 100 VH, so I can do just change that to fix to fit content. Then if we refresh here on Framer, then we have this like this, which is kind of good to be fair. Okay, all aligned together. And something that I don't like as well is not having like the separation on here. So just give me one sec. I'm gonna fix that as well on the nav bar. So we have, yeah, we can just do border here, remove the top, remove the bottom, and leave this like this. Black. Okay, what is going on here? Default. Just need to change that to fit content. Perfect. Oh, why is it not working? I don't understand. Oh, okay, got it. Solid. Change that to black as well. Still not working. Uh, bottom one, I guess. Oh, hell no. Um, all right, fixed. Now we have this problem here. I don't like the alignment. So the way that we're gonna fix it is by removing this here and this here. Okay, and then give it a stack. So that will be fill position. Navbar is gonna be fixed position. I'm gonna give it 65 or even 75. All right, then I'm gonna remove the right top. Let me see. So that fits fill content. Then that one is gonna be fit content, but we're gonna add right 25 paddings, left 25 as well, and then yeah, actually this is not quite what I wanted, so let me just delete that by the way. And we're gonna add the border here instead. So that's black here, top 0, right 1, bottom 0, left 1. Terrific. Then Same thing for this one. So you have the button, and we also have, call it button wrapper. And I'm just gonna do fill, fit content, give it 25 left, 25 right. Then same thing, add an border from right and left. So 0 on top, 1, 0, 1. Now we're talking. And then I'm just gonna remove the, was it here? Yeah, remove that. Now everything is aligned perfectly. Beautiful. We can even make it better. So yeah, there's a small, like, way too big gap that we can do. So space between, I guess that's the one that I should use. Okay, perfect, perfect. One thing that is gonna be good is um, adding review. So all what you have to do with my method is designing the hero section with their logo, whatever that might be, and then adding one review from their Google review so they can, oh, I remember this is mine. And if they have more than one, you can see it. But designing this one is going to take a little time. So let me go ahead and just do one instead of many. On the full build, you're going to see me how I can design this from scratch as possible natively in Framer. So don't worry about it. But I'm just going to add one for the sake of doing it. So what we can do now is just go to layers. So this one is, let me just social proof or mission. Then we're gonna take the box container. So this one entirely. Gonna duplicate it, and then I'm gonna call this reviews. I'm just gonna remove the top padding here, and also what we're gonna do is remove the top here, so it fits perfectly. Then we have our reviews. I'm gonna come here, copy this. So let's auto layout. Pass it here. Delete this one. So that's review wrapper. And let's just say Harvey Roofing. So I'm gonna send this to the first one tomorrow. Harvey Roofing. They have 10 reviews. I'm gonna take the newest one. Okay, this is Scott is okay. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna take the last one here. Enter. And the guy name is Geoffrey Ecott. Enter bold. Enter. All right. And we can add the buttons, but again, like, not necessary. So let me see how that looks like on here. Amazing. So now there's something that I want to show you. Is the calendar that I'm gonna add with see the entire thing, like see the entire layout whatsoever. All right. Basically, what I'm gonna do is go to my cal.com. And then I'm gonna add a new one. You can do the same thing as me, by the way. Uh, Roofing website. On what I for your business and quick intro on what I do for business and a quick chat on how I can help you. You are not obligated to buy at all. Just friendly chat and learn more about your business. Perfect. Then advanced. What I want to do is have the layout. I'm gonna like customize that after, but what I wanted to have is I forgot where. Oh, it's here. Okay, perfect. Can do embed, line embed, floating pop up via email embed. Yeah, online embed. Like theme, copy code, and then we come back on Framer. What I'm gonna do now is insert embed. So that will be on here. But before that, I kind of want to break. Yeah, I want to break the pace by having something different, so like it stands out. I think I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna add it here. What was the font? Metropolis. Perfect. I'm gonna delete that. Um, we're gonna do fill. Uh, to chat further. I guess I don't know what to say here. Uh, oh, copy code. Come back. Uh, I guess that's pretty much. Oh yeah, I wanted to put it here. And then what I'm gonna do is um yeah, I'm gonna take this here. You know what? By the way, let me just fix that real quick. So create component. No, actually, it's the opposite. I want to do this here. Create component button. Yes, that's primary. And then there's a variant which will be border. This color here. Then this one is gonna be removed. Same. I'm gonna rename it outline. For the hover, interesting. What I could do, mm, uh, yeah, okay. I think I have an idea. So before that, so here, yeah, let me just put that here. I'm gonna create a frame. Gonna be white. Put it inside of this one. So there could be absolute position 0, 0, and then 0 as well here, 0 as well. I'm gonna lock it, and then I'm gonna move it down. Perfect. And then this is gonna be like this. Then on here, I'm gonna move it back up. Uh, this is not what I want to do. What is it? Style overflow hidden. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I'm gonna call it overlay. And then this one is gonna be red. And the reason why we're not seeing it is because I need to add a z index style z index 2. Also important, we need to add a border which will be red as well. I think that is not working though. Perhaps I'm gonna add this here which will work. uh how much is the radius? 12. Oh, okay, got it. So I'm just gonna add radius 12 here. Yeah, I guess. And then if I do 0, yeah, we see it. So that's 12 and remove the border from here. And can I choose style? Yeah, perfect, perfect. You just see how that goes. Oh, completely disgusting. Why it does that? Hmm, I really don't like it. Oh, I think I know why. Yeah, that's why. Perfect, perfect. It's very easy, like just a quick, and then I'm just gonna delete this here. Variant outline. So that's basically non-existent. That's red. Outline border red as well. Then the hover is kind of the opposite. So the overlay going to be 0, 0, moving back up, but this one is going to be red instead. And this one going to be white. Same thing, z index 2. So let me see how that works out. So I'm gonna take the bottom, I'm gonna include it here to fill. Can I add a min? No, remove min width. Oh my goodness, min height. Oh, it's not working. Uh, so that will be max height, I guess. That's not it. That's 70. 80. That's too much. 70. Okay, so that's mean height 45. Yeah, perfect. Uh, 55 seems good to me. And then we're gonna use outline. Let me see how that goes here. Oh, same problem, I think. Hidden. Hidden, no, actually, it's good. All right. Kind of laggy. But still, all good, all good. Something I don't like about this is like the paddings inside of the embed that takes all of this place here. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is add this button on here. Oh, forgot to do this. CTA. And want to see, click to see entire page design. And what I'm gonna do, but with that is do the another thing here. So link create variable link, perfect. So I have this here. Oh, I forgot to do this. Oh shit. Okay, plugging Figma to HTML. Let me do that. I thought that something was missing, but I didn't understand what was it. Crazy. Um, enter. So, oh yeah, this is good. It's the border that is missing. Oh, because there gonna be a border. I see. Name. Submit quote. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna move it on here. Was it like this? Yeah, practice. Oh, now I understand why it was a little bit more than that. I understand. So that's submit quote box. I'm just gonna put it here beside the hero image. Um, then style z index. Oh, it's already here. So padding on the right gonna be 35. Then same here, 35. Yeah, now we have something very similar to what we had before. And then just gonna play around with it a little bit. Here, perfect. So let me see now. Fantastic. Form is on purpose not fillable. Mm, I know. Yeah, I know why this is actually funky. So what I'm gonna do is that's good. I have to add a border here. Yeah, that's why it's kind of messing up. All right. So yeah, what I was about to do is have this here. All right. So yeah, this is the link, and you're gonna see the entire design. I'm gonna just actually click to see a demo of the entire page design. Yeah, perfect. And then the link is the framer, the Figma file. That's perfect. Actually, this is crazy. This is not. Yeah, this is not a good. This is not a good hover effect. I really hate it. It just makes things simpler. I'm gonna remove this overlay thing altogether. No, sorry. Yeah, keep it that way. That's it. Yeah, for now, this is how it's gonna be. I don't have really the bandwidth to do, and then I'm gonna change this right now. But all in all, this is my idea moving forward. So yeah, thank you, and see you next time.